guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another clean and decorate with me. The Christmas season is upon us and I am getting this whole house ready. This video is extra special to me because I am collaborating with Emily from Mama from Scratch. You guys, I started watching her way before I started doing YouTube and I just fell in love with her and her videos. And now that I've gotten to get to know her on a personal level, she is just as amazing and sweet as you see on her channel. This lady is so talented. I get so inspired from her constantly, and honestly, she makes me just want to be a better person. So, Emily, thank you so much for doing this collab with me. You have made my heart so happy, and I'm so thankful to call you a friend. You guys make sure you check out her channel. I will have all of her channel information and the video in my description box. Go check her out. And if you guys are from Emily's channel, I am so thankful you're here. I am excited to do this clean and decorate with me, with you guys, and I hope that you guys would stick around. Consider subscribing because I do lots of videos like Emily's, DIY crafts. I also do cooking and cleaning, all things motherhood, all things lifestyle. So I would love to have you join me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new, and let's get started with this. Okay, I am going to start off just by cleaning up the living room. I am going to be just clearing it out a little bit. My kiddos are just hanging out on the couch, as you can see, and I'm going to kind of clean around them. I don't always have them help me because honestly, if I want to get it done quickly and efficiently, I'll just do it myself. But don't worry, I have other moments that I have teaching moments where I will definitely have them take part in cleaning, but this is not one of those moments. So if you guys are with me for the first time, I love decorating, especially with the seasons, and I like to change things up because honestly I get bored with things very easily. So one of my biggest suggestions and things that I like to do is just buy pillow covers for my pillows. These particular ones are purchased from Amazon, and they are in my Amazon store in the description box below. They are super soft. They have like a velvety feel, and with having 5 kids, 4 of which are boys, it is really nice to be able to put them in the wash and get them really clean. So now I'm just going to clean up the feathers on the floor and around the vacuum. Can you see Noah is still napping? You guys, I have a V8 Absolute, and it's actually very quiet, and that is proof right there. I love to clean. You will find that the longer you're with me. So that's another reason why I like pillow covers, because I can make the couch and everything look really clean by just putting it in the wash. Now I'm going to wipe everything down on this entertainment center. I am using a e-cloth duster. I love it. I am new to e-cloth and I wanted to give it a shot and see if it was worth the hype. And honestly, they're amazing. This is a ladder I have had for a couple of years. I actually purchased it on eBay from, I believe, Pennsylvania, and I paid, I think, $5 for it and then $30 shipping, which isn't that bad, and it's really sturdy and it's an antique, and I love using it in my decorations and through the seasons.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Let's go outside.
This tree is a pencil tree that I purchased from Target. It is pre-lit, and I think I got it 3 or 4 years ago.
Isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
I started filming this video and Noah fell asleep on the couch. I have to show you guys this real quick. I love it when they nap. Alright, let's get back to decorating.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
So for me, when I decorate my tree, I always add the filler first before I add the actual ornaments. I just fill everything in the little gaps because it is basically the base, and it's all of these little white sprigs that I got. I actually took them off a garland years ago, and that's how I use it on the tree now. Another tip I have, if you're wanting a flock tree but you don't want to spend the money, you can always buy snowy pine cones and filler like I've got there, and it definitely lightens the tree up and makes it look very snowy.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. Dance, dance. All night long, we're gonna dance, dance. And have a good time.
And no tree is complete without a kid making some sort of macaroni ornament, and I definitely wanted to put it on my special tree. So I'm giving you guys an overview of what the tree looks like now. The light in the living room is perfect and you can see everything very well. So I wanted to show you guys, but if you're anything like me, as the day goes on, I always add to it. So I'm going to clean up the living room a little bit more now that the kids have all moved, and then make sure you stay tuned to the end and you'll be able to see everything lit up at night and also see how I've added to the tree.
So I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with
These are dollar store candles, the LED candles, and if you stay tuned to the end, you will see how I completely changed this whole area.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning.
These stockings I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They still have them in stock, and you will see that I actually had them all embroidered. I got these 50% off, and then I paid $6 per stocking for the embroidery, and they are timeless and perfect. I am tying them on the ladder with some jute and just doing them staggered.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
My mom was so sweet when she came over. She was helping me decorate. She is super creative. That is where I get it from, and it is nice to have another creative eye to just make sure everything looks good.
Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been Christmas memories.
So I'm giving you guys a view of everything in the nice light, and make sure you stay tuned to the very end. You'll get to see everything lit up so beautifully at nighttime. You'll also see how I change things around. All of my ornaments on the tree are either from Marshall's, Hobby Lobby, Kirkland's, and I think that's it. So anything you see there, that is where I got it from. Oh, and Michael's. I added some white, sparkly, almost snowy looking ribbon to the garland here on the entertainment center. I purchased that at home. I also got the foliage here at home as well. I guess I would say it was at home because it's called At Home. I also got the pine cones and the antlers from At Home. I was really excited that I was able to get a shot of everything at nighttime because it is so beautiful and it illuminates the living room so just perfectly. And I'm glad that you guys are able to see that because I don't feel like it really does it justice throughout the day. That is a blanket scarf I got from Hobby Lobby 2 years ago. I also got the red beads from At Home, and the willow tree nativity was from eBay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this clean and decorate with me. I had so much fun doing it. Now I've got to get the rest of the house decorated. Don't forget to check out Emily's channel. You are going to love her. All of her information for her channel and video is in my description box below. Go check her out. If you guys are from Emily's channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. I'm going to be posting videos like this every single week, as well as all other lifestyle stuff, so you don't want to miss out. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!